Good evening, traders. It is not quite 9:30, so it is very close to the New York market open. And look, I didn't get to make a morning video update. I did have a few things on. I might have mentioned that last night that I wasn't going to be able to make a morning video update. If something, I did have a spare 20 minutes or so that I could have snuck one in, but there wasn't really anything going on. Now I've got the pound Aussie dollar up here. I'll go over this on my MetaTrader account. Let's just do that now. Let's just actually do some charting. I prefer to use MetaTrader for chart analysis. Pound Aussie dollar, very close to wanting to put a pending buy order in there. This one's looked pretty good. Let's get this up first. Whilst that's loading, let's talk about the Euro Aussie. Stop loss is moved just past break even. As you can see, I got in at 57.71 and it's now at 57.72 for the stop loss. And we're at 1.27% unrealized profits. Our USD yen are relatively uneventful, so that's MetaTrader loaded up now. Euro Aussie. Sip the water, so that's how it is there, guys. Stop loss visually is shown with that solid red line just there. And yeah, look, I won't be moving the stop loss again until it's around 2%. Once it's to 2% profit, I'll lock in around 1%. But this will be let to run. I got in here on the 9th of February. And I just want to show you how turbulent it's been. Came back down again. And the stop loss was down. It was down at 55. It was down somewhere around there. So, and I used the 55-day moving average to set the stop loss. So what I will do here, after we just check on the USD yen, I got in on this on the 15th of February as well. So this has been running for more than a month now. This is tomorrow. It'll be 5 full weeks. So, what's this? Pardon me, guys. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, so let's close. I won't actually close that down because I will take the trade on this. I'm going to put a pending order in, but I want to show you guys how I do it. So we've got the pound. Let's see if I can bring this up. I should have the pound Aussie in the list. Let's play that there it is. The pound Aussie is at the 55-day moving average. It is. So 55-day moving average is down there. That's a wide stop loss. That is, and the entry is going to be 5 pips. Actually, I'll probably just have it at the high there. I only do it 5 pips if it's a very small wick. But alright. So what we'll do is we'll get that out of the way. Let's go into the other screen there, guys, that I have. Having 2 screens isn't essential. It's just handy, so I've got that right there. And then let's do an order. I want to buy. I don't want to buy at the market. I want an entry order. Expires. We'll make it in 4 hours. Price. I want it to be. Let's zoom in here. It's 183.127. What's the spread currently? The spread is around 2 pips. So I'll take it to a clean 30. It's not actually, it's more than 2 pips. It's holding around 3 or so. So I'm going to be conservative. So price 183, 130. I'm just going to confirm that. Yep. Stop loss. Stop loss is down at, wow, it's pretty far. 178. I use the 55-day moving average 178.89 and units. Alright. Right here you can see the value of the stop loss. So currently in the account I've got net asset is 535. So let's get the calculator above. I want to risk 2%. Alright, so we know exactly what we're risking. Very important. I'll just get the calculator out of here. So it's 535. Wait, what is it called? 53. Well, that's subject to change though. 02. Alright, so 1071 is what we're after. Just from memory, we'll go 500. See why the stop loss is, and that affects things a little bit. Right, so 200, 250, 255, 254. There we go, 254. Right. Okay, and there we go. And there it is. And we'll see how it goes. Now what I will do is, I'll just show you. I had done it before, but I've deleted them. A little bit of support and resistance, so we'll zoom out some more. You know what? Recently, it hasn't really tested this level. So that's pretty much where it's at. There's a little bit of resistance, but we'll see. I'm willing to take that. I'm going to close that down. It's freaking out a little bit. But there it is, guys. I've got the pending order in at, how do I find out? Positions, orders. Oh, there it is, March 21. There we go. The pending order is in for 18313. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.